Hey everyone, it's Ariana. I am the owner of this channel, and this is my introduction video, also an instructional video on how to make a simple GFX for beginners. So this is my first video on my channel, and this is also a tutorial, which I just said, but this is what I'm doing. So first, you make sure you have the load characters plugin. Now that you have the plugin, you're going to want to save it as a selection, but to save it, you got to right click and press export selection. Once you have it saved, load your room or whatever you want. This is just a room I pulled up, even though I am not using it. I am just using an orange background. I just gave an example. All you do is do the same thing you did for your avatar. Now that you're on Blender, you're just going to press X and D and it'll delete automatically. Then change the mode to Cycles Render. If you're using a rig, go to Open and it should be titled Default Blend for your rig. If you're not, you can just skip this step. Then, what you're going to do is delete every part of your head, your eyes, mouth, the tongue, everything. And make sure you don't delete the face marks because just keep those because they're easier for me to align my face up when I'm doing it. Then you're going to want to right click on your character and then go to Image Texture and apply your avatar's texture to the rig. Once it's textured, go to Material instead of rendered. I accidentally clicked on rendered, but it doesn't matter. After that, you're going to want to go to import and import your body. If you're not using a rig, just import your body and also skip this following step. As you can see, I was struggling to align my character with the rig, even though it doesn't matter. It's just my OCD was definitely getting to me. And yeah, so I just moved my character and just deleted the rest of the limbs, and that sounds terrifying, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. You know I give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. Now you're going to want to select everything on your head by right clicking, and then after the first click, hold shift while right clicking everything else. I edited earlier, so I'm just now realizing that a second ago it looked like I had a double chin, but it doesn't matter because I fixed it right away. But now my head's just moving up and down, but it doesn't matter because I'm just gonna make it look okay. So yeah, if you're doing what I'm doing, you want to change the color of your background by going to the earth icon and changing the color to whatever shade you want, but make sure the brightness is all the way up. Now, you're going to want to position your character. So for a rig, there should be just places you have to right click on to move the limbs. And on a normal character, you just right click on the limbs instead of the little points. Now you're going to want to go to Add and press Add Camera. If you're not using a rig, I don't think you have to do that, but After, you're just going to press view camera and position it the way you like. Then go up to the left hand corner and press render animation, and your animation should render. Once it is done rendering, you're going to press on the image and press save as image and save it to whatever document you would like. And then you're done.